video, we'll be discussing the 2-octave D minor scale in 3rd position. Make sure you master the 2-octave D major scale in 3rd position, the major scale, before you learn the minor. Major is always a foundation to minor, okay? So here we go. I'm going to start in 3rd position. So by now you should have mastered, boom, finding that D in 3rd position, okay? So here we go, D, E, and F natural. So your 4 is going to come down right next to 3, okay? We lower the 3rd note of the scale, remember? So our F sharp is our 3rd note. We're going to lower it to F natural, okay? So we'll do that again. D, E, F natural, G, A, B flat. Okay, so 2 and 3 are going to touch. C sharp, high 4, and then D. E, you can always check that with your open E, that is perfectly in tune. F natural, 2 and 3 are going to touch now. G, A, same thing, check that with your open A. B flat. Alright, so your 1 and 2 are going to touch here. C sharp, so it's a high 3. You're going to feel like you're splitting your hand in half right here because you have a low 2 and a high 3. Oh, and that C sharp is beautiful. D, okay? So then now we'll come back down. C sharp, B flat, A, G, F, F natural, low 3, 2 for E, and then D. High 4 for that C sharp, B flat, A, G, F, E, and D. Okay, so I did the whole scale, all 2 octaves at once. Now let's talk about the lower octave. Okay, so we have D, E, and F. The half step occurs between the E and the F, in this case 3 and 4 on the G string. So they touch, okay? So then G, A, B flat, low 3, high 4 for C sharp, and then D. Okay, let's go back down. D, C sharp, B flat, A, G, F, E, and D. Okay, now let's talk about the upper octave. So let's start here on the D, E, whole step to E, half step to that F natural, G. Okay, now this reminds me, when you're practicing a minor scale, make sure that your sparkly notes, what I call sparkly notes, still sparkle. In this case, a G is a sparkly note, so he needs to sparkle. Your A that's coming up is sparkly. B flat, not so sparkly, but he can be. C sharp, definitely sparkly. Very sparkly. Okay, alright, so now I'm going to go through the whole scale slowly without speaking so you can really hear the pitches and you could actually play along if you wish. Okay, so here we go. Oh, this is another, before we start, this is another secret. See what I'm doing? Before you start a pitch, you can just play that finger, hit it down like a hammer, hear the pitch, and make sure you're in the right place. Okay, so here we go. D. minor scale, 2 octaves. All right, so enjoy, happy practicing, and until I see you again, be true, be you.